Hi guys, welcome again on our YouTube and our website. Today we will show you how to install fittings for pipes from 1.5 up to 6 inches even. Actually, very important thing, there's a collision between the European metric system and American. 1.5 is 40 millimeters, so we always ask the customers what is the inside diameter and outside diameter to be 100% sure, because there's an Irish metric system also that shows sometimes the differences. But this is pipe 40 millimeters, 1.5 inch, and different type of fittings. I will pass it to our golden boy Radomir, who will show us how to install the fittings. Before that, I will show you on the picture why these fittings are so good. And the smaller fittings, which also show this, but here it will be more visible, where we have rings like this, which shows that this surface will be filled up with a PEX pipe. It will go, the PEX pipe is like this, and like my finger went to this surface, the same will do the PEX and will last forever. That's why these fittings are so reliable and so easy to install, which Radom will show to us.
Okay, so this brass fitting includes two elements, main element and the screw, washer and nut. To install this, we need the wrench number 70, hex key number 4, PEX cutter, wallpaper knife, and the heat gun. To install this brass fitting inside, we need to cut the pipe equal. So this is one of the most important thing. And next we can prepare inside the pipe by the wallpaper knife or a heat gun. It will easier to put the main element of brass fitting inside. So first we need.
I will just stop you for a second. It's with the smaller pipes, it will be quite easy, but with the bigger pipes, where they are not always exactly oval, or we do this outside where it's a bit cold and so on. This heat gun will be very useful. The PEX will be more flexible, more melt, and it will be much easier. So I will even say with the bigger pipe, the heat gun is almost obligatory. So remember about that, and remember always about cleaning the pipe with the
wallpaper knife.
Wallpaper knife. So you can continue, Radom.
First, we need to screw to the right the small screw. And if we do it, we can put this element on the pipe. Next, we can put inside the main element of brass fitting, little straight. And this is all. Now we can connect these two elements. Remember, we need to move this. This element must be with this element here. You can see. And now we can unscrew the small screw.
We can say that they need to kiss each other. They need to touch each other. We cannot leave a free space between the two elements. It will take a little bit more time than the fittings from 1/2 inch to 1.25, but it's also very quick process, much quicker. Imagine that with the steel pipes, you need to weld every 6 meters, and here you can weld 4 inches pipe. Here you can use the fitting with the 4 inches pipe, which will take maybe 1 minute to connect the pipe.
Okay, and now we can screw this by big screw, washer, and nut. First do it by hands and use wrenches. you must to do it really hard. And this is all.
Yeah, so you see how easy it is. Very often people ask how complicated are your fittings and so on, and they are extremely, extremely simple and extremely, extremely reliable. In this case, the leakage is impossible and it can last for 20, 30, even 50 years, and you cannot have any problem. So, thank you, Radomir. I hope it will show you how easy the fittings are to install. Thank you once again, and if you want to know more, watch all the videos on our YouTube or on our website. Thanks, guys.